So now in the last video we have covered the application of Gauss theorem, that is second, and we considered about a single sheet, infinitely long sheet. So we have studied this much in our last session. So in the continue of that we are going to think, if instead of single sheet, if we considered a two parallel plates or two parallel sheets, what will we going to have over here. So it is in the seam, that is the application. So now I will draw our two charges over here, one charge sheet over here, that is plus. Now considered sigma one charge. Now we considered another charge, they have different charges, so sigma 2 we consider. So now if we test charge body over here in region 1, what will we get? In region 1, if we consider the two things, if we talk about this plus, the electrical field is in this direction, it will going to repel. What about the another? If this charge sheet is positive, this is also a positive, then it is going to repel. They are in a same direction, both E1 and E2. Now if we place that charge in this, then we can say from this, it is in this direction, it will going to repel from E1, and if in this, from this charge, it will going to repel in this, that is E2. That is our second region. This is second region. Now if we talk about third, that is outside the plate, same way, if it is from this, it is will going to repel, that is E2. If we talk about this is also, that is E1. So they are in same direction, they are in opposite direction, they are in same direction. If we consider these two charge density equal, then they are going to cancel out each other. So we'll going to derive its formula over here. So how can we decide, or how can we think in that terms? So if we consider the electrical field or through here means in region 1, if we are talking about on this one, then electrical field, and if we draw an imaginary line, that if it is arrow in opposite, then it is considered to be negative. If it is in positive x direction, all these are considered to be positive. Okay, so in E1 it is in opposite direction, we consider over here, and lastly we calculated the electrical field over here. So as compared to the last formula, I am going to write over here, this one is our last formula. So E1 can be written over here, sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Now it is sheet 1, sigma is 1, so we are going to write over here sigma 1. Okay, now E1 is in opposite direction, we are going to write minus. Same way if we talk about E2, then minus, it is in same direction, charge density sigma 2, that is 2 upon epsilon naught. Now they are is in same direction, that means in opposite direction. So we can write over here the principle of superposition, that is E equals to E1 plus E2. By skipping, because we are going to just write down minus sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. In the another calculations, I will just skip this step, so we can save some time. Minus sigma, because if we take the common from both, we can take 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2, just minus sign over here. Okay, and if somebody asks, it is in the position vector, that is in this direction, r is going to show our direction, negative r. Okay, nothing. Same way if we talk about this in this region, we are going to write in region 2 electrical field 1. Okay, it is in same direction, it is considered to be positive, sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Here it is a negative, but here is positive, because E1 is in opposite direction. Now it is in same x-axis. Now E2, it is in opposite, sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. So same way superposition principle, E equals to E1 plus E2. So we can write over here, that is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Now the thing is that if we take the common, we get 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Okay, and if we consider direction, then it is in r direction. Suppose if sigma 1 equals to sigma 2, if two parallel plates having same charges, then they are same, then they are going to cancel it out 0, then whole term will be 0 in this, if it is, we consider this case, okay, for the center in this region. Okay, now if we consider region in third part, what will be the electrical field? Yes, everyone please guess it out, pause the video and guess. Okay, now sigma 1 2 epsilon naught, sigma 2 2 epsilon naught. Okay, and both are in same direction, so it is positive. So same superposition, E1 plus E2, we are going to write over here sigma 1 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 2 epsilon naught. So total electrical field in the outside of this sheet is 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 sigma 2. If we compare these two equations, here is minus, here is no minus can be, so the directions are opposite but the resultant will remain same. Okay, and direction if they are asked, then we can say this. Now another things we need to be considered over here, the resultant can be changed as per their charge densities. It is common for all. If the given is sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2, so we need to matter over here. Okay, if it is addition or it is in subtraction, then it will not going to be 0. Here in this case it will going to change. In this the direction will going to matter. Otherwise, because they are going to just need to add them up, sum them up. Same thing. But if we are going to consider one as positive, another as negative, what will be going to happen? Okay, in this we are going to draw. Now in this the same thing, and fastly we just cover up. If we consider a charge over here, positive charge, positive will repel, positive negative will attract, so we can over here in this direction, that is E from this second, that is sigma 2, we write over here is 2, and this one is sigma 1, we are going to write over here is electrical field 1. They are opposite in direction. Same way if we place in this center, the positive will repel, then it will be in this direction, that is E1, and negative will going to attract this positive, then it will also be in same direction, that is E2. Okay, if we consider in region 3, this is region 2, region 1 and region 3 outside the plates. Okay, and generally these conditions are going to consider during the capacitor. Okay, parallel plate capacitor, one is positive, another is negative. In this positive will repel, then it will be in this direction, that is E1, and negative will going to attract, it will be in this direction, that is E2. Okay, so that's how we are opposite and equal. So same way we're going to write over here equation for three regions. So first for region 1, what we are going to write over here, that is E equals to E1, electrical field 1, that is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, but E1 is in opposite, we will going to minus over here. E2, that is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Here the sigma 1, sigma 2. Sigma 1 is positive, sigma 2 is negative charge over here. So the as per the superposition, that is E1 plus E2, and E1 is negative, we can write over here minus sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. So sigma, instead of sigma we will take 1 upon 2 epsilon naught common, and here minus sigma 1 plus sigma 2. That is our electrical field over here in region 1. What about in region 2? In region 2 the same way, just you try it by yourself, that is E1, it is in same direction, that is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, and E equals to E1 plus E2, and finally we will got upon, because they are in same direction, so we can write over here 1 upon 2 epsilon naught common ले लेंगे, and that sigma 1 plus sigma 2, that is from the center region. Okay, same way here E1 is positive, that is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, and E2 we are talking sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, but this one is in opposite direction, so minus sign will be here. And superposition, that is E1 plus E2, and in this we'll get common 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Here sigma 1 minus sigma 2. We are going to get this equation. Now same way, if we take the cases over here, that let's take case over here in center we will write over. If sigma 1 is equals to sigma 2, means they are charged but oppositely, we can consider over here. So in this they are going to add up, but where we'll get 0, will get 0. In this we will get E for a case we are talking about. In this case what we are going to get, 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma, sigma equals to sigma. Now that is 2 sigma, sigma cancel out, that is electrical field sigma upon epsilon naught for 2 plates. Rest it depends on another case, we can consider another case also. In this case sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2, we can take this one. So accordingly the sign convention will change. Or the another case is sigma 2 is greater than sigma 1, that is negative is greater than the positive. Here positive is greater than the negative. These cases are going to take. But please remind these three equations 1, 2, 3. If the two charges are different, pause the video and see can, or we can see this if the two plates are positive. So we have these cases 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.